Turning knowledge into experience. We examine the Bachelor of Technical Vocational Education. This program focuses on developing educators and trainers who will shape the next generation of skilled professionals. Our internship bridges the gap between classroom learning and professional teaching. Interns experience actual teaching, managing classes, delivering lessons, and applying effective strategies. For technical fields, hands-on internships in industries sharpen skills and workplace readiness. The BTVTEd program has equipped me with both the technical skills and the teaching methodologies necessary to train others effectively. It's a rewarding field with a significant impact on industry standards. Our interns receive mentorship from experienced teachers and supervisors who guide them every step of the way. Through comprehensive training and practical teaching experiences, BTVTEd graduates are well prepared to contribute to workforce development and vocational education. With BTVTEd, your internship is not just training, it's your future taking shape. At Midway Colleges, we're committed to empowering tomorrow's leaders through innovative programs that blend education with practical experience. Whether in customs administration or technical vocational education, our students are prepared to lead and succeed in their chosen fields.
The BTVTEd program has equipped me with both technical skills and teaching methodologies necessary to train others effectively. It's a rewarding field with significant impact on industry standards.
I gained confidence and real teaching skills through my internship. It also prepared me for my future career.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the College of Business at Midway Colleges. Stay tuned for more stories of innovation and excellence shaping the future of education and industry.